Every year, 42.6 billion bottles of water are consumed in the U.S., but a lot of people don't think about the intricate process that goes into making them.
We're here at Water One Industries, one of the many bottling producers all around the country, to find out how one of these bottles are actually made and filled.
The water itself is purified by filtration, reverse osmosis, UV sterilization, and ozonation. Minerals such as potassium bicarbonate, magnesium chloride, and calcium chloride are added to enhance the flavor. Meanwhile, the water bottles start off as small plastic preforms. They are loaded onto a conveyor belt where they are sent into a furnace. The variance in heat in the furnace controls the thickness of the bottles. After the bottles are heated, they are then sent into an ice-cold mold where high-pressure air gets blown into the preforms to mold them into the bottle shape. They are then sent off into a hopper where they await the next step of the process.
The bottles are then sorted out at a high speed so that they are ready to go onto the next conveyor line. A device makes sure that the bottles are facing the correct way. Next, the bottles are flipped upright and sent onto the sanitation phase through a high-speed conveyor. Bottles are then thoroughly sprayed and sanitized to make sure no foreign particles are left in the bottles. Next, they proceed to the filling station, where purified water is pumped into them. Meanwhile, caps are being sent down to be loaded, and a machine twists the caps into place. After, the bottles are then sent to a labeling machine that wraps the plastic around the spinning bottles. About 300 labels are put on every minute.
As this is happening, boxes are being formed through automated machines which fold and glue the bottom of the boxes. The finished bottles are then sent out to a final machine, which prepares them to be put into a 4x6 formation. They're then dropped into packaging, and the boxes are then sent to be sealed and labeled, preparing them for shipment. Even though it may seem like a basic item, there is much more to bottled water than meets the eye.